Reader to Reader is pleased to have donated millions of books to schools, libraries, shelters, and outreach programs all across the United States and in a growing list of countries. In addition, we build computer labs, donate laptops to students, and donate school supplies. The books come from publishers, authors, and most importantly, individual book donors. Our dedicated volunteers and College Works Study students sort and pack thousands of books, making each donation special by tailoring them according to the recipient's needs or requests. Whether it is a massive donation of 150,000 children's books to 8 schools in New Orleans, hundreds of thousands of books sent over a decade to schools on the Navajo Reservation, or just that one special book that brightens a child's life, Reader to Reader is dedicated to spreading the joy of literacy far and wide.